Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I help network marketers grow their business. I've been in network marketing for 14 years and today I want to share one thing that has helped me tremendously over a period of time, and it's a simple thing, maybe sometimes neglected, so I want to share this with you, reiterate it with you to make sure you understand it and then you can apply it to your business and grow your business more successfully. So my message today is to meet more people in person to grow your business. Meet either new people or meet your team members, both of them. So the more the better, as long as you're not wasting time. Your meeting should be intentional, with a purpose, with understanding, with respect, with helping people understand their needs, their wants, their challenges, and then you can help them better. And no better way to do so than sit down with somebody and listen to them and open your heart and listen to their heart and see how you can help them. And if you can help them, then you go ahead and suggest how you can help them. And if you cannot help them, because we cannot help everyone, we can help some people, and we can help those people who are open to receive our help. And some people are not open, and some people don't want help. And even though you think that they need help, and even though that may be correct and true that they do need help, but some people will not take the help and will not consider to get help, or will not consider to make change, even though things are hurting them. Just a simple example, for example, some people are smoking, and let's say that you have a great solution how to help that person quit smoking, and this solution works really well, but there are certain steps that this person needs to take in order to stop smoking. And no matter how much you want to help this person, and no matter how much you want for them to quit smoking, if they don't make that decision and if they don't put their effort, they most likely will not stop smoking. So they're not ready and you cannot help them. However, you can offer help, you can suggest, come with your best intention and offer them help, and then if they receive it, that's wonderful. And if they won't, not up to you anymore. So that's how it works, and that's how why we should be meeting with people. And today I'm meeting with good friends of mine that I've known for many years, and I'm meeting with them because I like them. They're a great couple, Leah and John, and I'm gonna be meeting with them, and I wanna hear them out. They're growing their business, and I wanna just understand how they're doing it, and if they need any help, and if they do, and if this is something that I can help them with, then I can maybe give them some suggestion, maybe give them some direction, point to certain things. And sometimes it is making small changes that could make a big difference for them. So I'm gonna hear them out, I'm gonna see what they may need, and then if it makes sense, then I may suggest something or help them out. And if not, I'm just gonna enjoy their meeting with them, share a few smiles, share a few talks, and that's just wonderful. And that's just wonderful part of building a network marketing business and meeting with some great people like them. So that will be all for today. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again in another session of Driving and Learning. So here are John and Leah. Thank you guys, and bye-bye.